InstaCuppa Multipurpose Non-Stick Electrical Kettle cum Cooker, with all the essential cooking accessories included. It includes steamer, idly maker tray, egg boiler tray, cleaning sponge, and a wooden spatula, all free. Lightweight design and 100% non-stick coating for excellent service life. Comes with detachable power cord for convenience. And 2 temperature settings for different food types in 1.2 milliliter capacity. Single button operation makes it very easy to use. Steam your favorite idlis in few minutes with the press of a button. What about steaming momos for friends and family? Boil eggs or relax while you steam them faster, but with almost no effort at all, while keeping a cool-to-touch exterior for safety. Cook rice and noodles for your entire family in one go. Or simply boil broth and gravy dips fast and easy. Relax at home while waiting for your soupy noodles served hot in no time. Or just wake up with a quick egg breakfast fried in perfect convenience. Whatever meal you have in mind, let InstaCuppa Multipurpose Electric Kettle cum Cooker cook it easy for you.